Hello YouTube, my name is Joel, I'm from Travel Experience and today I'm gonna show you the best spots in Corsica for photographers and filmmakers. But first, let's roll the intro. Welcome everybody to the first episode of Travel Experience Explains. That's a tutorial series. Today I'm gonna show you the best spots in Corsica. If you are a photographer or a filmmaker, you should definitely go there, because Corsica is beautiful. Number 1. The first spot is near the city Tarkin. It is a nice little beach, and on the right end of the beach, all the way on the right side, you have a little river with fresh water, and you have the sea, and you have this cool little sandbank in between of them. The sea and the river is beautiful, and the combination is excellent. The beach is faced to direction east, so you can see beautiful sunrises. The second spot is called Belvedere del Bosque. It's a little fort on a hill. In the old days, prisoners and political enemies have been brought there. But it's an amazing viewpoint. Perfect for drone shots or portraits. I would recommend there to bring your drone, because there is a little path going all the way to the fort, and I think you could get stunning footage with a drone there. The third spot is Lacie Nino. You have to hike a little bit, at least 2 hours to get there, but it's amazing. That's a little lake in the mountains, quite high actually, I think at least 1,700 meters above sea level. You have to hike there to get there, at least 2 hours, 2.5 hours, and it's kind of hard to find the way. The path is marked, kind of marked, but just with some little yellow stripes on a tree, you don't see it very well. It's kind of hard to find the path, but if you are there, if you reach it, it's amazing. Trust me. They have the greenest grass on earth and a nice little creek with all its berms. The Lacie Nino itself, of course. Number 4 is a valley. It is near a visa, and the direction is east. It's like 280 degrees. And it's a beautiful spot for photographers. It's an amazing place, like all the others. I mean, if you are in Corsica, you should go there. And the fifth and last spot is Lacie de Gunnel. It's a very special spot because in the rocks you have the shape of the heart, and it's direction west, so you can see the sunset through that heart. But don't forget to bring a long lens. I would say at least 100-150 millimeters at least. More is even better, because it's quite far away. And if you shoot it with like 35 millimeters, you will just see a tiny little heart on the screen. It's near the city Piana, or near the village Piana. And it's an amazing spot. It's quite famous for Corsica. I'm guessing you have seen it on postcards and pictures on Instagram maybe. It's just this rock formation. The good thing there is the direction is west, and it's on the west coast, so you have the sunset right behind it with the orange sky. That's pretty normal there. I guess you can get amazing pictures there. So thank you very much for watching. That's it from me today. I'm going to end the first episode of Travel Experience Explains now. I hope you have a great day and you should go to Corsica.